Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, let's talk about some beautiful and creative Christmas centerpiece ideas to make your holiday table extra special. And centerpiece is the heart of the dining table. And at Christmas time is bring warmth, joy and festive cheer. One simple idea is to use a glass bowl filled with ornament. Choose red, green, golden or silver bubbles and mix them with fairy lights. When the lights shine through the glass, it creates a magical glow. And other ideas is the candle centerpiece. Place 3 or 4 pairs candles for different heights on a tray and surround them with pecans, holly leaves and berries. The soft candlelight will bring a cozy and warm feeling to your holiday dinner. You can also try a natural look with fresh pink branches, cinnamon stick and dried oranges. Dry oranges. Place them in the middle of the table and tie them with a ribbon. This design not only looks recent but also small amazing. For a more elegant touch, go for a flower centerpiece. Use red pincettes with rose or even artificial flowers mixed with green. Add some sparkling ornaments to give it the festive Christmas charm. Another creative idea is a mini Christmas tree centerpiece. Place a small decorated tree in the middle of the table and surround it with small candles for fairy lights. It's become the mini attraction for everyone sitting around. You can also use a tray centerpiece. Take a wooden arm tray, place candles, ornaments and greenery on it and arrange them neatly. The best part is you can easily move it whenever you need space. It's fun idea for families is a candy centerpiece. Fill jar or bowl with candies, peppermints or chocolates and arrange them with ribbon and bows. Kids will love it and it add a playful holiday touch. Another magical option is a snow centerpiece. Use artificial snow or white fabric. Place the lanterns in the middle and decorate with silver ornaments and snowflakes. This creative a winter wonderland feeling on your table. If you want something modern, try a minimal style with just one entire candle in a glass vase. Decorate with a simple green vase around the base.